Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the drug addicted person detection using Python. So you have to run the manage.py file like python space manage.py space run server. So it will generate any one URL. You just have to copy that particular URL and paste in any browser. So it will open the web page, complete web page. It will show like home page, how we work and the about us section. Okay, let's scroll down. It will also give the complete information like the 6 easy way to identify drug addicted and the prevention process, understanding drug addiction in school campuses, mitigating drug addiction in school campuses. Okay, this will be the complete web page. Now click on the start monitoring. Okay, it will open the laptop front camera and it will identify the person is addicted with the drug or not. So if the person is addicted, then it will show the addicted label or else not addicted. Okay, I'm just showing any picture from internet. Like that it will identify the person is addicted or not. It works on the real-time laptop front camera and identify the person, like the person is addicted with drug or not. So this is the complete project working. If you find out, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you need, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.